Hello everyone, this will be part 1 of my War Machine build. I am pretty happy how this turns out right now because I printed this. I got it to how it looks right now. Now don't get me wrong, everything's loosely taped up right now and I'm pretty sure these shoulder pieces are about to give up because they are about to give up right now, I can tell. But either way, I printed this, I made this. And I'm very proud of what I did. Now don't get me wrong, I did not model this by myself. I got it off of do30.com. It was quite pricey, but I got it off buy one get one free. So take advantage of those deals because I got this whole suit was $119 for full file. So it was buy one get one free. So I decided to get another suit, and it was the Age of Ultron, not the Age of Ultron, the Ultron suit from What If. It comes with the whole suit. I really liked it. Just in case I didn't have time to do that, I could just do that one and have a great time. But either way, this is the suit I went with because I preferably like War Machine more than Iron Man. I know I'm gonna get so many people angry by saying that, but that's my personal preference, not yours. But either way, this is how it is. Now as you can see, it's on a very weird kind of mannequin skeleton right now. That's because this is not an actual mannequin thing. And then, yeah, everything's just on. Okay, so this is a microphone like stand thingy, and then this is a broomstick because to hold up the head. Now all of that arc reactor is mainly just RGB, as you can see, and I have a little disco on my chest, so it's pretty cool. But I like the red, makes that little ring around, which I need for him. And then the helmet right here. This is the first thing I actually printed was the helmet out of the whole entire suit. And yeah, as I said, I did not model this, I just printed it, and I'm very happy how I made it because it's an entire suit for me. So early on, before I got the idea for 3D printing, I was gonna make it out of foam, and that was gonna be pricey and a lot of labor and a lot of time. But I decided to do printing, so do all the cutting modeling for me, because I suck at cutting it and stuff. But either way, so the one thing I am unhappy is this helmet. Don't get me wrong, it looks fine right now. Until you switch it to the sides and stuff, it is terribly filled. Like, this is my, don't get me wrong, this is my first helmet and my first time actually doing something like this. Now, this helmet is actually small on me. Well, it fits me, but it hurts. It hurts right here. I don't know what it's called. You guys can say in the comments below. But it hurts. It puts pressure right there. That's I'm making a new one. This is 100% scale, so I'm printing it as 103%. I already have all of it already. I just need to get more filament because I'm running out of filament. As you can see, started off with gray, then black, then red. So you can see how much I wasted. But everything's all loosely in right now. This arc reactor is not permanent. These lenses are not permanent. These are glued in, these are taped in, and it's all being powered by this battery bank. There you go. This is how it looks. Of course you can see through them. It's just hot glued, temporarily hot glued in there. So yeah. Now you guys are probably wondering, why am I making this? Because, well, I wanna build my own Iron Man suit, and just to say, you know, I made this entire suit. And I put a lot of labor and a lot of my time into it, and it's not only just because I want to do it, it's also because someone on TikTok that I saw a while back, it was Frankly Builds on TikTok. You guys should go follow him, follow all social medias. You know, he really inspired me to do that, and I want to inspire people to build their own Iron Man suits or build something along the lines of like some of these props.